Good morning and happy summer 2024. I wanted to share with you some of the round and square rectangle planter rings and some boxes that I do. This one here is made out of Corten Steel. If you're not familiar with Corten Steel, they use it on bridges and a lot of architectural projects. The thing about Corten Steel is it rusts to keep it from rusting. When it's mill finished, at the mill there is chemicals put in with the molten steel, and that secretes a patina or a rust which seals the outside, and then you do not have to paint it, and it also preserves the steel for probably as long as stainless steel. You can rub your hand on the rust and it leaves no marks on your skin. I also do stainless steel planter rings. I use 304 stainless steel. They're made in a couple sections. People will use these also as tree rings. It's heavy 10 gauge stainless. This isn't your cheap Menards Chinese junk that's sold out there. It's made to last. Show you another plant. This is kind of a cheesy video, but it gives you an idea what I do. Here's another one out of 304 stainless steel, and this has a brush finish on the stainless. So if you're interested in some of these and anything else I make, you can look at my address below this video. Thank you.